No money, no support, no connections, just you and your hunger. And if that's all you have, let me tell you something, that's enough to become rich. But only if you learn how the real money game works. Because the truth is, you've been lied to. You've been told to study hard, get a job, play it safe, and maybe, just maybe, one day, you'll be free. That's not the real game. That's the system built to keep you average. If you're broke right now, good. You're in the perfect position to start from zero, because people with nothing to lose play the game differently. Money is just a scoreboard. The real players trade in leverage, time, attention, skill, network, content. You can be broke and still build leverage. A $0 YouTube video can make $10,000. A single viral idea can open 10 doors. But schools never taught you that because they're designed to produce employees, not players. Comfort is a trap. When you're broke, you have hunger. And hunger builds focus, resourcefulness, creativity. Billionaires manufacture discomfort. They fast, they wake up at 4 a.m., they train like warriors. You've got discomfort for free. Use it. You have nothing to lose and everything to prove. That's your edge. Played it like a weapon. Let me make it plain. If you're watching this in the US, UK, Canada, or Europe, you have access to the internet, and that means you have access to income. No excuse. Learn a skill. Copywriting, video editing, branding, code, AI. You can learn these for free, monetize them, and use that cash to buy time, tools, and freedom. The average millionaire has 7 income streams, but most people don't even have one. Start there. Build 1, then 2, then 7. Your skills are the new savings account. Here's what most people never realize. You're not poor because you don't work hard. You're poor because you trade your time for money, and your time is limited. You wake up, go to work, earn, spend, repeat. That's the cycle, and it's designed to feel normal. But it's a prison. The rich escape it. By owning systems, they build things that work while they sleep. Investments, brands, businesses, content. You need to stop thinking like a worker and start thinking like a machine builder. Here's the secret nobody's telling broke kids. The internet is the greatest equalizer of all time. You don't need rich parents. You don't need to live in New York or London. You need a phone, an idea, and consistency. If you're in Pakistan, India, the UK, the Bronx, doesn't matter. The algorithm only sees content. The market only sees value. The money only flows where attention goes. So create, document, build, be everywhere until they can't ignore you. Everyone's waiting to feel ready. But winners don't wait. They act. Discipline is doing it when you don't feel like it. Posting a video when no one's watching. Learning when others are partying. Success isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up when average people quit. Your future isn't built in one big moment. It's built in thousands of invisible, boring decisions. Let me tell you something. The fact that you're still watching this means you're not average. Because average people clicked away 2 minutes in. They're back on Instagram, scrolling, escaping. But you stayed. And that means you feel it, that pull in your gut that says, I was made for more. You're not here to survive. You're here to build, to rise, to escape the system. So don't waste this moment, because moments become hours. Hours become years. And years can disappear before you even look up. This channel, this message, it's not entertainment. It's the signal you've been waiting for. Subscribe and come back tomorrow like it's a ritual. Because if you keep watching and you keep building, they're gonna look at you one day and say, he came from nothing. I'm doing everything. Welcome to the game.